So now we are going to learn how to make the caramel mousse. I have the caramel sauce and the cream diplomat with me. The caramel sauce is cold and out of the refrigerator. The cream diplomat is made few minutes before. In case you've made the cream diplomat like say 30 minutes before or so, you have to make sure you're keeping that in the refrigerator and it is not in the room temperature, and you want both of them cold. Only then when you're going to fold, they are going to hold the stiffness, or otherwise they are going to become runny and you wouldn't be able to pipe or use it in the way you want to use in the desserts or the cakes. Okay, so now this caramel sauce I'm going to add depending on the flavor, so you need to adjust. So I'm just going to first add the caramel sauce with the cream diplomat and fold it so it get mixed up well. You know, the cream diplomat has the pastry cream and the whipping cream together. Now here at this stage I could stop, taste and see if I like how much caramel is there in this mousse. Now if I want it lighter, I could stop it here. Now sometimes depending on the taste preference, the caramel more intensity in the mousse is nice for few desserts, and also personally you would like the deeper caramel flavor in the mousse. In that case, you could continue adding more of the caramel sauce into the mousse and gently fold. Don't overbeat because it could lose the consistency. Okay, so now once this is made and you feel like if it is runny, you can pop this in the refrigerator to firm up a little bit until you want it to use. Now this is one mousse that we've learned and we are going to see where we're going to use it in the lesson.